Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. For preparing rice flour at home, take required quantity of rice. I have taken here around 4 cups of rice. Washed and soak it for 4 hours. Now drain the water, excess water, and spread this on a cotton cloth and dry this. Little bit of moisture should be there for preparing the rice flour. If you wanted to make it rava form, then you can dry it completely. Dried rice, I have put it in mixie now to grind this. See, this actually I have not made it very fine because I want rava to make dumplings. So I have just ground this to a coarse powder. I will transfer this into the kadai and then we'll put it on a paper and dry this because it's wet. So we have to dry this. Now similarly, rest of the rice also you can powder it and sieve it with a fine sieve so that you will get the rice powder as well as the rava. The rice flour and the rice rava. This rava can be used for making idli and rice dumplings. I think this video will be useful to you. If you are watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I am going to show you how to make rice flour and rice rava at home. This is the rice flour and this is the rice rava. This rava can be used for making upma. We make it with rava also, rice rava also with upma, and dumplings and idli. It can be used.